Alright, here we go. Alright, you all, you've been watching me for weeks working in this shop. I've been turning pins, I've been making instruments, I've been doing all manner of little band-aid cleanups and wipe-offs, and now it is time to clean the shop. So sit back, feel my pain, have a good laugh, and watch me figure my way through this. It's going to take hours.
Dust on the bench, shavings on the floor, broom in my hand, hard at the lathe door. Sweep this shop slow. Hands want chisels, but this dirt says no. Rag on the vise, rags on my pride. Dreams of dovetails stacked up to the side. Sweep this shop slow. Hands want chisels, but this dirt says no. He was Bully Brooktooth, face like it fought the moon, and kids threw rocks down his barn when he limped through town at noon. But he'd sit by the creek on a busted fence rail throne, staring at that big white house where she brushed her hair alone. Plug ugly boy, pretty little girl, crooked grin dreaming of a satin ribbon world. They all laughed at him, said she's too fine for you, but he'd swear up and down, I walked through hell for you. She'd pass by in Sunday shoes, basket full of fresh baked bread. He'd drop his hat, lose his words, turn 14 shades of red. She'd say hi real soft like she meant it every time. He'd carve a name in cedar bark, circle his with tangled lines. Plug ugly boy, pretty little girl, crooked grin dreaming of a satin ribbon world. They all laughed at him, said she's too fine for you, but he'd swear up and down, I'd walk through hell for you. One dust red evening, car tracks cut the lane. Stranger wheels, stranger whips, shouting out her name. They dragged her from the doorway, silk dress in her brow, left the yard gate swinging like a mouth stuck open wide. Whole town froze up, matter for the chef they said, but he was already running, bare feet on the riverbed, mud on his shins, heart loud in his ears, following busted branches and a trail of torn off tears. Through Pine Dog Hollow where the owls don't blink, he heard a cry break twice like a rusted chain link. He said, Lord, don't hear me much, but listen just this one time. If I get her home tonight, you can keep what's left of mine. Firelight in a clearing, 3 mean ships and a rope. He ain't had a plan, just a rock and a hope. He hollered like thunder, left him wild and blind, took a boot to the ribs, still he clawed and bit and climbed. She grabbed that fallen branch, swung hard, eyes full of stars, cracked across her jawbone, sent tea to where the crickets are. They stumbled, cursed, then scattered in the rising night. Two fools in the smoke and dust, holding each other too tight. They limp back at sunrise, hands tied side by side. She laughed through the bruises, she sure picked her up first ride. Town folks all went quiet at the sight of them two. She kissed his busting mouth, said, "Told you I believed in you." Plug ugly boy, pretty little girl, crooked grin dreaming of a satin ribbon world. They all laughed at him, said she's too fine for you, but he swear up and down